If you're experiencing crashes while playing Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help recover your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Elden Ring installed. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, it may lead to performance issues and crashes. Upgrade your hardware if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Update drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Make sure to update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the most recent drivers. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Elden Ring can help reduce the strain on your system and prevent crashes. Access the game's settings menu and adjust options such as resolution, texture quality, and effects to find a balance that works for your system. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!